Well, I just had I made a gumball machine, and all you need to do is you need to get a basketball thing or a basketball thing or a ball thing, and with this little handle on it, and when you push it, the thing that's inside of it pops out, and we're going to make a gumball machine. So all I did was took some Play-Doh-ish thingy dough and made little gumballs, and then put it inside, and then when you press this lever, hold on, maybe they're too stuck together. Oh, yep, they're way too stuck together. See? They pop out. Pop. And thank you for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe. And go ahead and pop on over to my next video. Bye guys.